Your clinician will direct you to this video because you've been instructed to use a Glucomen Areo 2K blood glucose monitoring machine. Usually, you'll be on an injectable therapy such as insulin if you have been given this machine. In this video, we're going to go through exactly what you should find in the box to make sure you have everything that you need. The content of this video is put forth as entertainment purposes only, and this creator makes no claims, promises or guarantees about the accuracy, completeness or adequacy of the procedures and instructions contained therein. The creator of this content expressly disclaims liability for errors and omissions that any viewers of this video might declare that exist in the information as presented. No liability exists or can be ascribed to this content creator in the event of any accident or injury that might occur as a result of improper application or understanding of the procedures and information contained in this video. First of all, this is a Glucomen Areo 2K device and it comes in a shiny blue box with a shiny silver strip at the bottom. If you have a white box with a silver strip at the bottom, this is a Glucomen Areo. Please refer to a separate video for this one. The Glucomen Areo 2K measures blood glucose and ketones. If we flip the box over, here we can see it has a description of the contents. So you should find your Glucomen Areo 2K meter, 10 test strips, 2 ketone strips, a user manual, instructions how to use the glucose test strips, instructions how to use the ketone test strips, a blood sampling information guide, a finger pricking device with 10 lancets, a warranty card, a logbook. It also says you get 2 batteries which will be inside the device, a wallet for your blood glucose meter and consumables. So let's open the box and see what's inside. We have our wallet, your finger pricking device with the lancets, our user manual, a quick start guide, a logbook, ketone test strips, ketone test strip information leaflet, ketone test strip instructions for use, blood sampling guide. Let's have a closer look at our ketone test strips. You get 2 free test strips with this machine in this wallet. They are individually foil wrapped. If we have a closer look at our logbook, we can see you enter your serial number here, and inside there are some useful numbers to contact Glucomen for support. You also have the option to enter your name, address, telephone number, mobile phone number, medical details into this booklet if you wish, and your latest test results from your surgery. On the next page we can see a chart which gives you the options for measuring your blood glucose at different times and noting them in the respective boxes. Again, at the back we can see helpline numbers for Glucomen just in case you have any issues, and also a space to note down any appointment times if you wish. Also again at the back of the booklet you find the Glucomen support numbers in case you need them. Remember to register your machine's warranty. The Glucomen team also provides you with support, more batteries and logbooks if you require it. Here we have our quick start guide and it gives instructions on how to direct your clinician to update your prescription for your new meter. So here on the left hand side you have a card which you can take and hand into your surgery so they update your prescription. And on the right hand side we have options on how to register your meter to activate your warranty, and then we've got some visual instructions on the back on how to prick your finger. We will go over this in a separate video. Here we have our user manual, which has detailed information on the use of your meter. For example, section 4, you can see here how to measure your blood glucose. If we flip to this section now, you can see on this page detailed instructions on your meter. We'll show you how to use your meter in a separate video. I advise everyone to read through this manual so you know how to use your meter appropriately. Let's take a look inside the wallet. We have a few leaflets about ketone monitoring, alarms and testing. We have our Areo 2K machine, which is black and has blue buttons. Let's now compare this with the Glucomen Areo machine. As we can see, the first difference is that it says Glucomen Areo on the front compared with Glucomen Areo 2K. The Areo has silver buttons and the Areo 2K has blue buttons. The colours are reflected at the opening for the glucose strips, blue for the Areo 2K and silver for the Areo. Again, on the other side of the machine, blue buttons for the Areo 2K and silver for the Areo. Here we have a box of test strips. There are 10 in here. Check the expiry date. You have the batch number on the side. There's some numbers indicating the readings which you should get on your meter when using a control solution. Again, we'll show you this in another video. We've got our storage temperatures on the side between 4 and 30 degrees Celsius. Let's look inside. We've got our test strips. They are white on top with a window for blood sampling at the bottom and a side with black lines. The side with the black lines goes into the meter. When you place the glucose strip in the top of the meter, you can see it switches on with a little blood drop flashing on the screen. We'll show you how to use this meter in more detail in another video. Let's look at the ketone strips. They're foil wrapped. Again, like the glucose test strips, they give you the control readings on the side and expiry date and also storage temperatures. Peel open the tab and remove the test strip. You will notice this is lilac purple in colour with a window for the blood sampling and black lines on the side which goes into the meter as shown here. As you can see, the blood drop icon is on the screen. Let's compare the test strips, purple for ketones and white for glucose. Here we now have our finger pricking device with the 10 lancets inside the bag. Let's take a closer look at this. It's white in colour and has a blue top with a green button on the side. And here we have our lancets, which are green in colour. These will go inside the finger pricking device, which I'll show you in a separate video. Here we have our wallet, which will store our device and other test strips. You have a pouch at the top to store your lancets. There's also space in the wallet for your finger pricking device as shown here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.